These days, the streets of Iran are filled with bold and different styles. Open front manteaus in a variety of colors catch the eye. It feels like the strictness around dress codes has eased compared to before, and choices seem more free. Layered styles and unexpected clothing combinations are seen a lot. Shorter, looser scarves paired with bold and modern accessories. It seems the new generation is choosing their outfits with greater confidence. Neon colors and shocking combinations are no longer considered strange. Unique and different shoes alongside unconventional manteaus. The atmosphere around women's clothing appears more relaxed than in the past. Styles inspired by global fashion are now seen more often. Baggy and loose pants paired with shorter, more structured manteaus. It feels like frameworks still exist, but the strictness is less than before. Many girls go for minimal yet bold styles, monochrome outfits with distinctive and unique details. There is more freedom in choosing clothing styles compared to previous years. The combination of traditional and modern is seen in a different and even surprising way. Traditional fabrics alongside completely modern designs. Outfits are still formal, but perspectives seem more open. If you enjoy videos in this style, welcome to our channel. Please support us by subscribing so you can see more of our videos. The way scarves are styled has become more diverse and creative. Many wear their scarves more loosely and comfortably. Artistic and distinctive styles now stand out more in the crowd. Handmade accessories, unique bags, and asymmetrical forms. The social space feels more open to experimenting with new styles. Bright colors and non-classic combinations are seen more than before. Loose manteaus with unique designs and bold prints. Sporty and comfortable styles are very popular among young girls. Oversized hoodies paired with special and trendy shoes. There is a greater sense of freedom in choosing clothing shapes and forms. Some styles are even bold and surprising. The use of shiny fabrics or unconventional designs. It feels like mental boundaries around clothing are changing.